What's up, guys? I'm Drea. Forgive my voice. I've been sick for about 2 weeks now, so get that out of the way. If you're new to my channel, nice to meet you. Thank you for joining me today. If you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click on the notification buttons, like, comment, all that good feedback. Thank you, guys. So today I'm going to do a 10-day and 30-day challenge of the rice water. My rice water is right here, and so we're going to start today with the 10-day and 30-day challenge and see how it goes. So first of all, let's measure to see if this stuff really works. All right, measuring tape. All right, let's do one from the front. I'm really excited about this, guys, because I really want my hair to grow. So let's see, I am at the roots. Let's hold it there and try to straighten as much as possible. Okay. All right, it's about right here. So what is that? Oh, 14 inches. All right, so that piece is 14, and forgive my hair, guys. It's, a little crazy, but whatever. All right, we'll take a long piece. Let's see, from up in the root. Oh, slips down. All right, and let's hold. Trying to untangle as I do this, because my hair is tangly. Let's see. I can do that. About scraggles. All right. What is that? 16 inches right there. All right, let's try one more spot. Let's see, the crown of my head, because these don't grow very fast for me, and they're quite frizzy. So let's see. How am I gonna do this? It's not as easy as it looks, guys. All right, I have my piece, tape measure. All right, let's try this one. All right, this one is at 16 and a half. All right, so we have our measurements. So let's get to it. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I don't want it to be on the shafts of my hair or anything like that. I really want it to get into my scalp, into the roots, and I'm gonna massage it for, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, but I'm not gonna do all that time on the video, but just for reference, that's, I'm gonna take about 10 minutes to really massage it in. This is my rice water. I put it in a spray bottle. You see stuff floating around in there? Yeah. So this is my rice water. I'm gonna shake it up because I added, making myself wet. I added about 6 drops of peppermint oil in just to give it a little bit more of a kick. So we're gonna see how this works. So this is how I'm going to do my challenge. If you want to do it with me, let me know, comment below, because I'm really excited. I want everybody to have beautiful, amazing hair. And even though my hair looks crazy right now, it's going to grow, and I want it to grow, and I want it to be long and curly and healthy. So this is how we're going to start. I'm going to take a section of my hair, put the rest up for a second. I'm going to pull it away from myself from my scalp so I can make sure I hit the roots, and it's already dripping down. Alright guys, now so I'm all done putting in my rice water and peppermint oil for day 1. Go ahead and start yours too so that we can do this together and grow our hair. Nice, long, strong, healthy hair. And don't forget to drink your water. That is key. Now, I'm going to sit here and massage my scalp for about 10 minutes while I watch TV and get on with my day. I will make sure I record on the 10th day at least for you guys and bring it back to you so you know how it goes. We can remeasure and see the progress. And then we'll do it again for the 30-day one to see even more progress. You guys, I am so excited for my hair to start growing because I have been consistently taking my vitamins and doing well and drinking a ton of water. So, and working out. Yay. And so I'm just so excited for this and to help my hair grow even more and be healthy and strong and long. And I want yours to be that way too. So join me in this challenge. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one, guys.